Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to change the rear brake pads for a 2012 Lexus ISF. If you have done the fronts before, you'll be happy to know that the rears are definitely easier to do and do not take as much time as well. The first thing you want to do is take the blunt end of a screwdriver to hammer out the bottom retaining bolt. This bolt may be harder to remove because of the pressure from the clip. It's my first time doing this, and even though it appears that the bolt has moved a little bit from the hammering, I still am not able to get it out due to the pressure, so I'm going to use a smaller screwdriver and try to get it out that way. Once the bolt is out, you can take out the clip easily. The top bolt will come out much more easier without the presence of a clip. Alright, don't judge me, but I can't find my pliers, so I have to use this crimp tool to squeeze the pistons in. I do this on the top and bottom. The reason you need to do this, if you didn't already know, is so that you can have enough clearance for the new pads, since they're bigger than the worn old ones. And here's a quick look at the OEM old pad next to the Winmax W2 pad. I'll be using some of this brake grease to apply to the back of the pad on the surface that comes into contact with the pistons. Definitely not on the side with the brake disc. Very important that I do not put this on the side that comes into contact with the brake disc, or there'll be big problems. Once the pad is all greased up, simply just insert it into the slots. It should go in easily if you have done a good job of squeezing the pistons in. Next, I'm going to squeeze in the next set of pistons. Here's the old pad, and here is the new one, greased up and ready to go in. Start by putting the top bolt back in. Next, put the clip back in. This next part is going to be kind of hard because you have to push down on the clip as you put in that bottom bolt. And to be honest, it is kind of hard from this angle, since I should be sitting in front of the caliper. However, if I do that, then I won't be able to record this properly, and so that's why you see me kind of struggling right here. Now, if you listen closely to the way the sound changes as you're hammering, that's when you know when to stop. And that is it, guys. Much easier than in front, right? Any questions or comments, just leave them below. Thanks for watching.